there, I am Anupriya with a new lesson learning about pronoun. Means pronouncing the noun with another name. Noun को हम किसी दूसरे name से pronounce कर रहे हैं. That is a pronoun in a grammatical term, in a sentence. For an example, my father went to market. Sentence 1. He bought me a toy. Alright? My father went to the market. Second line, my father bought me a toy. Third sentence, my father loves me so much. 3 times I told about my father. 3 sentences मैंने separately बोले and तीनों sentence में I am talking about my father. And 3 times I repeated the word my father, which is a noun. 3 times I am repeating and it seems very awkward repeating the same noun again and again. But the same sentence, the 3 pieces of sentence when I speak like my father went to the market, he brought a toy for me and he loves me so much. So it seems more organized, more beautiful. Alright, so first time when I said my father went to the market, alright. Second time at the place of my father, मैंने क्या बोला? मैंने बोला he brought me a toy. At the place of my father, I used a pronoun. I replaced the word my father and I used at the place of my father he. Alright, he brought me a toy and he loves me so much. Again, I used the pronoun he. So in this manner, I am using pronoun at the place of noun and the meaning is also remaining same. एक sentence की meaning भी नहीं change हो रही है. Let's take one more example. Priya is singing a song. Sentence 1. Priya is a good singer. Sentence 2. Priya has won a prize in singing. Sentence 3. Alright. In this segment also 3 times I repeated one noun Priya 3 times regularly. It also seems very awkward when we listen again and again the same name. Alright. So how can we speak in more organized and better manner? We can say Priya is singing a song. She is a good singer and she has won a prize in singing. Alright कि Priya एक अच्छी singer है. Next time when we use Priya, हमने जब पहले Priya use किया था तो second sentence में what I used? I used she at the place of Priya. Priya की जगह I used the pronoun what? Pronoun she. And third time again she. So it seems more organized and pleasant when you speak and someone hears. So in this manner, noun को replace करके we are putting another word which brings the same meaning of the sentence is called pronoun. There are few pronouns that we use at the time of replacing the noun. I, very general word. I am Anupriya. Alright. So where are you going? Someone is asking me. किसी ने मुझसे पूछा आप कहाँ जा रहे हो? तो I don't say Anupriya is going to the market. Does it seem right? I don't take my name. So similarly, I am going to Anupriya. I didn't say my name. I didn't speak the noun. I said this. I am going to the market. In this way, me, mine, mine. This is also known as a pronoun. This marker belongs to me. मैंने ये नहीं कहा कि this marker belongs to Anupriya. I am Anupriya. You know this very well. But मैं मेरे बारे में बात कर रही हूँ and I have used this pronoun indicating about me. Alright? Not about Anupriya, about me. So this marker belongs to me or this marker is mine. ये मेरा marker है और this is my marker. Alright? So again I am not using the noun Anupriya, which is a proper noun, which is my name. I am using such pronouns at that such place. You. You are a very nice student. I am not taking your name. Your name can be anything. So I am not saying that particular person, Hari, Ram, Shyam, Harry, James, anybody is a good student. I am saying you are a good student. Alright? I am not taking your name. So again, such pronoun has been used at the place of noun. Your. Is it your marker? क्या ये तुम्हारा मार्कर है, ये आपका मार्कर है? अगेन आई एम नॉट टेकिंग योर नेम, आई एम जस्ट सेइंग, आई एम जस्ट रिफरिंग टू यू, मैं आपकी ओर इंडिकेट कर रही हूँ बाय सेइंग दिस प्रोनाउन योर. सिमिलरली he, him, his. It was he who met me. It was Ram who met me. I didn't say the word Ram. मैंने नाम नहीं लिया. It was he who met me. ये वो था जो मुझसे मिला था. I didn't say the proper noun. Similarly, it was him. ये उसका मार्कर था. Where is his red shirt? उनकी रेड शर्ट कहाँ है? My father is in office and his file is left here. मेरे पापा ऑफिस में है and his file. Second time I am not using the word my father's file is left at home. I am using his file is left at home. She and her. The important thing, he, him, his is used to indicate the gender male in communication. So many people every day I listen commit a lot of mistake in differentiating using the pronoun. Do memorize, keep it in your mind, fix somewhere else. He, him, his. This is used for the male gender जब आप indicate करते हो, and she and her is used to indicate female gender in communication as a pronoun. Alright, never mix both of them. I listen a lot of time people say that my mom went to the market and he didn't come back yet. What happened to her? He didn't come. She didn't come back because mother is a female. She's a lady. So we have to make it in your mind, fix it. She and her, and they, their, them, those, and these. All these are, again I am using pronoun, all these are group of the people. They all are in plural, more than one. They are more than enough one numbers. They are talking over there. वो वहाँ बात कर रहे हैं. I didn't take how many people and their name. मैंने उन लोगों का नाम नहीं लिया. मैंने ये कहा they are talking in another room. वे दूसरे रूम में बात कर रहे हैं. So I am using pronoun to indicate a group of a people जिसमें मैंने किसी का भी नाम नहीं लिया. I haven't used the noun. I used the pronoun they. There, I went to their office. Again, there are few people. There is a group of people जो कि indicate कैसे की जा रही है? There के थ्रू की जा रही है. THEIR there. मैं उनके ऑफिस गई थी. I went to their office. All right. Them. I saw all of them. I saw them. मैंने उन्हें देखा. Again, group of the people. I saw them crossing over the road or somewhere in the movie hall, anywhere. So I saw them. I saw group of the people somewhere busy in some work. Again, group of the people. There can be many people having their different name, but I am not using their name. I am just saying that I saw them. Again, a pronoun. Those were not good. The fruits I bought, those fruits were not good. Again, so many fruits and number of fruits. I am indicating them. I am not telling the name of a particular fruit. कि उसमें banana था या orange था या guava था. I am telling those fruits were not good. These lessons that I am teaching you are very, very important. So again, these group of lessons. So many lessons, more than one lesson. These lessons I am teaching you are very, very important. Do learn it carefully. In this manner, once we are not using the noun, I am using such words instead of that noun is called pronoun in a sentence. And there is one important rule also for he, she, his and her. Just to remember, in terms of writing, कि जब हम write करते हैं और हम बोलते भी हैं, so there is one rule that you are going to love about to learn and you must not have been introduced earlier. She and he in a sentence is followed by verb. जब आप बोलते हो या write down करते हो या लिखते हो. Take an example. She or he is. Earlier we studied is linking word or helping word. She is or he is playing football. Alright? He or to. Next word is coming after she and he. Always remember, in दो pronoun के बाद we always use verb. If it is not a linking verb, so we can use direct action verbs also. Like he or she plays football. He or she writes something about. So we can use, or we use only verb after she or he in a sentence. Similarly, his and her is followed by noun. When we use his or her in a sentence, it is always followed by a noun. Suppose his or her dress is beautiful, or his handwriting is beautiful, her handwriting is beautiful. His speech was awesome, her speech was awesome. So after these two pronouns, हम हमेशा क्या यूज करते हैं? We always use noun. These two important rules are very important to remember once you write or speak in English. So must practice it and keep it in your mind always. Bye.